Dr. Sebi's dietary recommendations also included a list of foods to avoid, which he believed could be harmful to the body due to their acidic nature, hybrid origin, or processed state. Here's a list of foods he advised against: meat and animal products, all meat, beef, pork, chicken, turkey, lamb, etc. Dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Fish and seafood, all types of fish and seafood, as he considered them to be acidic. Processed foods, refined sugar, white sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners. Refined grains, white rice, white flour, and products made from them like pasta, bread, and pastries. Canned and packaged foods, processed snacks, canned goods, and frozen meals, as they often contain preservatives and artificial ingredients. Hybrid and genetically modified foods, certain vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots and potatoes, certain fruits, seedless fruits, like seedless grapes and seedless watermelons, legumes, beans like pinto beans, kidney beans, and soybeans, as they are considered hybrid and not natural. Grains, wheat, including products made from it, like bread, pasta, and pastries. Corn and corn products, including cornmeal, corn oil, and high fructose corn syrup. Beverages, alcohol, all types of alcoholic drinks, caffeinated drinks, such as coffee, black tea, and other drinks with caffeine, carbonated and sugary drinks, like sodas and energy drinks. Oils and fats, hydrogenated oils, such as canola oil, soybean oil, and margarine. Fried foods, foods cooked in oils, as they are considered difficult to digest and acidic. Dr. Sebi believed that avoiding these foods would help maintain an alkaline state in the body, thus promoting better health and helping prevent various diseases. His focus was on natural, whole, plant-based foods that are as close to their original state as possible.